This is Kevin with New Flow St. Louis. I'm at 13 Bond Price Terrace, 63132. And I pushed all the way out to the backyard cleanout vent from the main waste stack on the rooftop. I'm going to pull back, show the condition of the pipe. This is a final video for our CIPP liner. We are on 6-inch PVC. This transfers over to 6-inch clay right here. And this transfers over to 4-inch cast iron. We lined with our CIPP liner, secure in place pipe liner. Piece of plastic that will come off. Here's a 2-inch line that connects right on top of this pipe, this system. Here's a double Y on the left. We have a floor drain on the right. We have a toilet sweep. Right here, again, we have a 2-inch line that ties in on top with the sink in the bathroom. Here we have a 3-inch line tying in on the left for the laundry room. Continuing to pull back. Around a 45. Here's the end of our liner, and there is a connection on the left side that's also for another toilet sweep. Here we are coming up the vent, roof stack vent. Rooftop vent, system goes that way, takes a right. Cleanout is right over there. Front view of the home. This has been a final video of our CIPP liner at 13 Bond Price Terrace, 63132.